keto diet 7-day meal plan. Most people can consume up to 50 grams total carbohydrates per day and maintain ketosis. This samples 7-day keto diet plan, with an average of 20.5 grams net carbs per day. Day 1, Monday. Total net carbs, 20.7 grams. Breakfast, 4.6 grams net carbs, eggs scrambled with sautéed onions and cheddar cheese. Snack, 2 grams net carbs, Atkins peanut butter fudge crisp bar. Lunch, 5.8 grams net carbs, 6 ounces deli ham over 2 cups mixed greens with half hash avocado, 5 large black olives, half cup sliced cucumbers, and 2 tablespoons blue cheese dressing. Snack, 4.5 grams net carbs, 3/4 medium zucchini cut into sticks and 2 ounces provolone cheese. Dinner, 3.8 grams net carbs, baked catfish with broccoli and herb butter blend. Day 2, Tuesday. Total net carbs, 20.6 grams. Breakfast, 5 grams net carbs, Atkins frozen farmhouse style sausage scramble. Snack, 4.4 grams net carbs, 1 cup sliced red bell pepper with 2 tablespoons ranch dressing. Lunch, 5.8 grams net carbs, bacon cheddar cheese soup. Snack, 2.2 grams net carbs, 1 stalk celery with 2 tablespoons cream cheese. Dinner, 3.2 grams net carbs, 7 ounces bone-in pork chop with cauliflower cheddar mash. Day 3, Wednesday. Total net carbs, 19.7 grams. Breakfast, 2.9 grams net carbs, spinach and Swiss cheese omelette. Snack, 1 gram net carbs, Atkins strawberry shake. Lunch, 6 grams net carbs, grilled chicken over baby spinach, tomato, and avocado salad. Snack, 2.2 grams net carbs, 2 ounces ham, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, and 2 dill pickle spears. Dinner, 7.6 grams net carbs, beef sautéed with vegetables over romaine. Day 4, Thursday. Total net carbs, 19.3 grams. Breakfast, 4.7 grams net carbs, cheese and spinach omelette topped with avocado and salsa. Snack, 1 gram net carbs, Atkins French vanilla shake. Lunch, 6 grams net carbs, Atkins frozen crustless chicken pot pie. Snack, 2.2 grams net carbs, half medium zucchini cut into sticks and 1 ounce Monterey Jack cheese. Dinner, 5.4 grams net carbs, 5 ounces hamburger topped with 1 ounce pepper jack cheese, 1 small tomato, half hash avocado, and 2 romaine lettuce leaves. Day 5, Friday. Total net carbs, 21.9 grams. Breakfast, 2.6 grams net carbs, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup shredded cheddar, and 4 tablespoons salsa cruda. Snack, 2 grams net carbs, Atkins Cafe caramel shake. Lunch, 6.9 grams net carbs, Atkins frozen chili con carne with a side of 2 cups mixed greens and 2 tablespoons Italian dressing. Snack, 4.4 grams net carbs, 1 cup sliced red bell pepper with 2 tablespoons ranch dressing. Dinner, 6 grams net carbs, 3/2 of a California Cobb salad with ranch dressing from California Pizza Kitchen. Day 6, Saturday. Total net carbs, 20.7. Breakfast, 4.9 grams net carbs, red bell pepper filled with creamy eggs and spinach. Snack, 1 gram net carbs, Atkins strawberry shake. Lunch, 2.5 grams net carbs, tuna salad with 4 ounces tuna, 2 stalks celery, 1 dill pickle spear, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. Snack, 4.5 2.5 grams net carbs, 1 portobello mushroom cap, 1/4 cup salsa cruda, and 1 ounce pepper jack cheese. Dinner, 7.8 grams net carbs, 5 ounces Italian sausage, 1/4 medium onion sliced, and half red bell pepper sliced with a side of 2 cups baby spinach, half cup sliced mushrooms, and 2 tablespoons blue cheese dressing. Day 7, Sunday. Total net carbs, 20.8, breakfast, 2.9 grams net carbs, pumpkin flax pancakes. Snack, 1.7 grams net carbs, 5 whole snap peas and 2 ounces cheddar. Lunch, 3.1 grams net carbs, 6 ounces chicken breast over 2 cups romaine hearts with 5 radishes and 2 tablespoons creamy Italian dressing. Snack, 3.2 grams net carbs, 2 stalks celery and 2 tablespoons cream cheese. Dinner, 9.9 grams net carbs, baked salmon with charmolo over broccoli.